community mobilization and organization. And when I took that class, I had just moved literally across the country to North Carolina. And as military folk, we kind of get used to getting to a new place and just figuring out what we need and then going with it. But with that class, my group chose to focus on the area that I moved to and to identify the problem. And let me tell you, I have lived in very, very distinct, different places as a military spouse, but I never knew my community until I took that class. And that class taught me what it's like to walk in as an outsider and get to know an entire community, because that's who we're supposed to be helping. That's why we're in public health. I never realized how much you don't know as an outsider, but yet how easy it is to become in the loop if you try. So that class was, as cliche as it is, life-changing for me to realize all the things that I just didn't know because I wasn't trying to know them. That class made me learn those things, and now I feel a connection with that community that I have not ever had as a military nomad, living in communities that weren't necessarily my own or my home. It really made me connect with the people in that environment that never would I have crossed paths with otherwise. So that class was phenomenal for me.